Hrithik Roshan, Sonam Kapoor, Bhushan Kumar, Ahmed Khan, Neeraj Roy and others graced the launch of the much-awaited single Dheere Dheere Se at a multiplex in Mumbai. Let's get you the highlights.
Yo-Yo Honey Singh, who has worked with me so much, and उन्होंने एक बार मुझे बताया कि I have read an interview long back, बहुत पुराना एक पापा का इंटरव्यू था जो I think उन्होंने पढ़ा था, and he told me कि his favorite song was धीरे धीरे. Do you know that? I said कि मुझे गाने तो उनके बहुत सारे favorite थे, लेकिन धीरे धीरे is his most favorite song. I didn't know about it. So he told me that I've read it and I want to dedicate that song to him and I want to do it in my style, today's style. And वहाँ से idea generate हुआ and then he composed a beautiful song, merging धीरे धीरे with it, and it came out very well. And then I wanted to put it on a big star, so I went to Hrithik and I played the song. He loved the song and then he said, "Why should I do it?" So I told him the reason. It's for my father. It was his favorite song, and I wanted to do it in his memory. And instantly he said yes to it. And I'm very, very thankful to him. He agreed to be a part of such a great song, which is loved by my father all his life. Of course, Sonam, she said yes on the phone only. So I sent her the. Yeah, actually. So I want to thank the entire team, means Ahmed Khan, Mr. Neeraj Roy, and Hrithik, Yo-Yo Honey Singh, Sonam, to be a part of this video. Thank you very much.
What I want to say is that I think this is really more of a celebration of love, a son and a father's story. When he came to me, I was just so touched with what he said to me. It was just so sincere, and I identified with that. And I was just so happy to do it. He's a great son of a great, great father. Gulshanji, I don't know if you all know, was the son of a juice stall owner. He used to sell juice. And a journey that begins from there to becoming a music baron with a contribution to cinema very few will ever be able to achieve or touch is absolutely the most, one of the most inspiring journeys that we have. And Bhushan, it's incredible because he has taken that and he has driven it further into greater heights. And I think that is absolutely amazing, Bhushan. What you are and what you do and how you do it is absolutely incredible. Even as a producer, he made us work 16 hours a day for 2 days.
One day, right?
Both the days. 16 hours, and he did not even need to say please. Because you can't say no to the man.
He was there
just
on set.
smiling like that, so humble. So you can't say no to him. It's like you got to stop using that. Yeah, it's like difficult. But no, we had a great time in Antalya.
Well, he's a hot guy. Felt good. He's feeling really hot right now. But it's nice, right? When like a really good-looking, charming, funny, nice guy, I think that's an operative word, is romancing you, even if it's like fake and on screen. It feels good. It feels good. So it was fun. Yeah. So it's nice. So it's lovely working with him, and obviously he's Hrithik Roshan. He's very talented, and I would love to work with him as well in a feature.
Okay, next question.
You don't want me to say nice things about you?
Okay, go on.
Yeah. Go on. Go on. No, it was great, and I really wanted to do this song as well. I really like this song, and my family's had a really long association with T-Series. We've, and it was amazing, and thank you. I think this is a really cool song, and I think it'll do really, really well again in the Yo-Yo. I never understood that. Why Yo-Yo? Let me sing in his version as well, so it's cool.
Working with Sonam was, it's my second time working with her, and I think we just had a ball here. Ahmed actually had to kind of, distract us from our conversations, and we were laughing half the time. So it was just very joyful, and I think that is what Sonam brings onto a set, because she's always got that smile on her face. It's like 100-watt, it radiates, and it just spreads across the ambience, and it's great fun. Yeah, I like to work with her. I think we should do a film together.
So how was the whole experience recreating your bike moment?
I think it was pretty sweet. Yeah, I think it was very cute. I thought if I do this, then maybe it looks so cute that girls will like me more when they see this. I think it's a very endearing thing to do in a suit and stuff. Yeah, so I did it for my personal reasons that with this yeah.
What are your earlier memories of the this original version of the song?
What I remember is going completely crazy about the entire album of the film Aashiqui, and it kind of became a rage at that time. And Dheere Dheere, I remember, was one of my favorite songs at that point of time. It became like a kind of a phase in life. You know how you have a memory of a certain song that identifies a phase in your life. So yeah, that's my association with it.
I was 4 years old when the song came out, so I don't have much of a memory, but I love like retro music, and so whenever I heard it when I was like a bit older, I really, really loved the song, and I thought Anu Agarwal, I think she was, and I thought she was really styled beautifully in the film. If you go back to it, it's quite gorgeous, and she was really elegant, and obviously the music was really, really beautiful. So I love that song, and it's you reminisce about like those days, and I know there's a sequence where he's walking on the parapet on Juhu, and I'm just like, oh my god, you could shoot there, and the beach looks completely empty when you see the video. I was like, oh, that's how Juhu used to actually look like.
आप भी अपने डैड के बहुत डियर हो, तो जब आप ये शूट कर रहे थे, आप दोनों ही शूट कर रहे थे, आपको अपने डैड का कितना रिमेम्बरेंस है माइंड में?
यार मेरे सामने there was Sonam, so Dad was absolutely not there.
Dad was not there.
Not there at all.
Why is Honey Singh not around? I mean, is he all right? We have not seen him in the limelight for a long time.
See, he's not keeping too well, but he has sent his best wishes for the song today.
So what's wrong with him? What is wrong with his health?
No, he's just not well. Means that is his personal thing. Means I can't disclose that here. But he's improving day by day, and he just spoke to me in the morning to wish me best of luck for the song.
And who will we see opposite Hrithik in Aashiqui 3?
What? Aashiqui 3? You want me to do it? Okay, I'll think about it.
We are working.
See, I've loved him so much as a producer that I myself have gone to him and said that you have to produce a film for me now. So let him think, give him some time.
Hrithik, Bang Bang 2 is happening, but you're not there. Lots of fans are disappointed. So what do you have to say?
What do I say? Why they didn't take me? I don't know. Ask them.
I've had one film, which Ranjana was 100 crores, right? Bhag Milkha. Yeah, I don't even remember what numbers my films do because I really don't think about it too much. But I guess, I don't know. I hope whatever, it does well for the producers. And I'm doing another film with Fox, so it better do well for the producers. I don't know, man. I've just worked hard and I hope it does well. It's Salman Khan. I'm sure it's going to open to some ridiculous figures.
First, Hrithik saying yes for a video itself and Sonam saying yes for a music video was really shocking. And then we said, let's give a shock to the audience, let's not make them dance. So Tiger ने बहुत dance कर लिया, and then when Hrithik came on board, तो we said कि क्या करें, तो एक धीरे धीरे से नचाते हैं, and we did a धीरे धीरे step, which was composed on the set, Hrithik, and we wanted to shoot her beautifully. And more than that, it was a tribute, and it should come across beautifully because the last Dheere Dheere was shot by Bhatt Saab in Aashiqui, and we just wanted to relive the memories and keeping the video fashion and video way of shooting the entire thing and contemporizing the whole way of looking at it. We had Hrithik not dancing, and maybe next video, Hrithik. वो गाना होगा जल्दी जल्दी.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.